Today we have a great, exciting video lined up for you. We'll be harvesting some of our cucumbers.
And we'll give you a full tour of our garden, from the front garden all the way to our greenhouse.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
So without further ado, Dad, let's start harvesting.
Let's start harvesting.
Oh wow guys, don't these cucumbers look beautiful? They look amazing, don't they? We have 4 cucumbers here to harvest and we have many more coming out. Oh wow, I'm really pleased with these. I can't wait to harvest these and eat them. They're gonna taste fantastic.
Now cucumbers, you have to harvest them regularly to promote new fruits. So once we harvest them, the other fruits will get bigger. The energy will be focused on the other fruits. They look amazing, Akib.
Yes, Dad.
I'm looking forward to them.
Me too.
Wow, that looks amazing.
This looks absolutely amazing. Look at this beautiful looking cucumber. I'm really pleased with these cucumbers. They look amazing. We still have 2 more to go. We have a large one over here. Dad, it's unfair. I think you should harvest these cucumbers.
I think I should.
Yeah, I already harvested
I'm
some.
glad you asked. I'm itching to harvest those cucumbers.
Yes, Dad, you've been going on it for a long time.
Akib, they look amazing. They look beautiful. I'm looking forward to harvesting. Oh wow. I'm looking forward to eating them.
They're going to taste nice and refreshing, Dad. You can just tell.
Oh wow. That's one more. Looks like we're going to have a good season for cucumbers. Once we harvest these ones, it's going to promote all these other cucumbers to grow fast. This is great. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling rewarded. Oh wow. Isn't this amazing? Beautiful. Few more to harvest at the end of the greenhouse, but I think we'll leave them for now. Let's try them out. Let's taste them, Akib.
Here, Dad, try this out.
I'm looking forward to this.
Me too.
You can't buy this in your local grocery shop or the supermarket.
This tastes so nice and refreshing, Dad.
So rewarding. So fresh.
Dad, I'm hoping I don't eat all of these.
I hope we are inspiring you to grow your own food. If you have, please go into gardening and grow your own food.
Dad, I hope I don't eat all of these. We need to save some for my mum.
Now let's give you a tour of our garden, from the front of the house all the way to the back into the greenhouse. And we're going to say goodbye now, so enjoy the video. If you enjoy watching this video, please like our videos. If you want to support our channel, share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Enjoy the rest of the video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Enjoy the video. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.